Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm going to show you all how you can check your motor oil. If you do it correctly, you can be a Bossman just like me. So first off, you need to make sure you know where your dipstick is. Mine is right here. Make sure that your engine is turned off. When you check your motor oil, your engine got to be completely turned off and not turned on. That's very important. One more thing. Make sure that you don't get your dipstick on your oil and your transmission dipstick mixed up. I'm only going to be showing you in this video your motor oil. So go ahead and check out your dipstick right here. I want to go ahead and wipe it off on this towel. You can do it with a napkin, a towel, your shirt, or whatever. Just so I can show you the markings on the dipstick. Now look very carefully on here. You see what it says safe? If your oil is on there, then you're okay. But if your oil is not on there, you need to add a quart at a time. Remember, if you have too much oil, it's just as bad as having not enough oil. So go ahead and put your dipstick back in the hole. Like that right there. And now we're going to go ahead and check it. You pull it out and you look at it. If you see the oil of your dipstick, right here is past the safe. That is not good. I got too much oil in here. It's way up here. If you can see it, it's right here. Safe is right here. And my oil is up here. That's not good at all. But that is how you check your motor oil. I hope you all like this video. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe down below. Bye!